Hello, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today we're going to be learning about antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. This word right here, antonyms. It's a long word. Words that have opposite meanings. Here's an example. Dad bellowed to us. Bellowed means he talked really loud. The opposite of that would be Dad whispered to us. Because when you whisper, you talk real quiet like this. So bellowed means loud, yelling, hey! Whisper means shh, quiet. They're opposites. Bellowed and whispered are antonyms because the words have opposite meanings. Here's some more examples over here. Why do you look so serious? The opposite or antonym of that would be, why do you look so joyful? Serious means, I'm serious, I'm thinking. Joyful means, yay, I'm happy. Those are opposites. Example number 2, the door is open. The opposite of that, or the antonym of open, is the door is closed. So open and closed are antonyms because they mean the opposite. Example number 3, this rock is very bumpy. The opposite of that, or the antonym for bumpy, would be this rock is very smooth. Because bumpy means it's got a lot of bumps and it's scratchy and lumpy. Smooth means it's just smooth. Those words are opposite. Bumpy and smooth are opposites. So now we're going to watch this little video. Pay attention. It's all about antonyms, and we will be doing an activity afterwards. So pay attention.
So today we're learning about antonyms. Antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. They're words that mean the opposite thing. Here's an example of antonyms: happy and sad. These two words mean the opposite thing. That makes these antonyms. Happy and sad mean the opposite things. They're antonyms. Words that mean the opposite are antonyms like loud, quiet. Loud is loud, but quiet is like a whisper. Loud and quiet are antonyms. How about these antonyms? Hot and cold. Hot and cold mean the opposite things. That means they're antonyms. They're opposites. Hot and cold. They're words that mean the opposite thing. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite thing, like mad and glad. They're completely different. They're opposite. These words are antonyms. Mad and glad are antonyms. What about these antonyms? Take and give. Take and give are words that mean the opposite thing. They are antonyms. Take and give are antonyms. These are antonyms because they are opposite. Look at these. Huge and tiny. Huge is really, really big, and tiny is really, really small. They mean the opposite thing, so they are antonyms. Here are more antonyms, words that mean the opposite thing. Sit and stand. Those are completely different. They're the opposite. Sit and stand are antonyms. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite thing, like down and up. Down and up are, antonyms. As you're learning, antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. And I think you're understanding this now, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be
So I think you understand now that antonyms mean opposite, like hot and cold, up and down. So click to the next slide and we're going to have a little activity about antonyms.